Hello guys, how to extract stock historical data for any company around the world by web scraping API on Kaggle or using Kaggle or Google Colab. Any company in the world but has shares in the stock market, in any stock market, in USA, in Europe, in Middle East, any company. Let's go and know how to do this. You can use this historical data for analyzing it using data science, Python, machine learning, and get very informative and important information to give you a decision or to get a decision for buying or selling these stock shares of this company. So let's go and show you how to do it. Please subscribe to the channel before we go, and press like you don't lose anything, so we can be found in search engine like Google and YouTube. If you have any question, ask me and I will reply you and respond to you as soon as possible. Let's go now and know how to do this for extracting this historical data. So first of all, we have to import. You have to know Python and use Python, coding Python. In this code, you have to import Y-Finance. Y-Finance, it's a function found in Yahoo Finance. Y-Finance is YF, okay? And then import pandas for dealing with files. Then we have a variable here, name it as anything, TS or ticker symbol, and put here the symbol of the company which you are searching or extracting, need to extract its data, okay, or historical data. So this company is called Remco. It's for touristic projects in Egypt. So it's symbol from the Egyptian stock market is RTVC, and put dot and CA. Put CA, it's a default for any symbol, okay, around the world. So by this variable, we are searching on the Yahoo Finance database, big database. It's a big data. Then we go down here and fetch for the historical data, for collecting the historical data. So it's easy. We call another variable data or data RTCV اللي هي record related to this company. So then we use YF, which is a symbol for the function which Y-Finance. Dot download, ticker symbol means to download the data or historical data related to this company, okay? So all you need is to get this symbol and search for this symbol and put here, and then select start and end for date. So I would like to get the historical data from 2020 till 2025, okay, or January, okay. So I will put this start date and end date and adjust this, and then go down and I ask this question. It's if statement. If not data empty, means there is data. We have a data, we reach the data. So print historical data or for this company successfully fetched, موجودة يعني, and then print data. Show me the data, all the data, okay? Moreover, you will save this data in a file .ccsv, so you can use this data for analyzing in different ways. You can get when the maximum value or the price of this data happened, and when is the lowest one, when was the maximum dealing volume, and where was the least or minimum volume, okay? And you can do many functions on this data and get good decision to take a decision for buy or sell these shares. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will answer you as soon as possible. Please don't leave this channel before you press like and share the video with others so they get useful from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. With you, engineer and educator Osama Ghandour. Please subscribe to the channel to reach every important video you upload. Thank you for watching the video.